Hi friends, Nisha Thakur here. Today I am going to show you how to factorize trinomial. Trinomial it means three terms, and quadratic trinomials, quadratic it means here x to the highest power is 2. So today we solve these type of expressions, and I am taking here when a equal to 1. So here today we solve this type of questions, x square plus bx plus c, because here a value 1. Okay, so here c here is product and b is sum. So I made a table, so it is very useful to check which type of sign you have to take. So product C, sum B, and we take two numbers n1 and n2. If product is positive, this one, and sum is positive, this one, so both numbers positive. If product is positive and sum is negative, means B value is negative, so both numbers are negative. If product is negative and sum is positive, so larger number positive. If product is negative and sum is also negative, both are negative, that time we have to take larger number negative. I am explaining how this table is useful. Okay, so let's try these examples. X square plus 8x plus 15. So we can compare with this one. C product 15 here, positive 15, and B sum is 8. Both are positive. It means here first situation, this one. So both numbers are positive. Okay, so we can take factors of 15. 1 times 15 is 15, 3 times 5 is 15, which sum is 8. So 1 plus 15 is not, 3 plus 5 we get 8. So we have to choose this one. And here we can write direct answer because here a value 1. In this type of questions we can write direct answer. No need to solve step by step. Just write x, we take two brackets here, write x, this x which is x square, and plus 3 and plus 5 because both numbers are positive. So x plus 3, x plus 5. Here you can use FOIL method and solve and check we get this one or not. It's your exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, this is another example. Here again product is 15 and sum is negative 8. It means this second situation. So both numbers are negative. And here again 1 times 15, 3 times 5, but here says both are negative. It means negative 5, negative 3, negative 5. Because negative 3 multiply negative 5, positive 15, and negative 3, negative 5, it become negative 8. Here we can write direct answer. We take two brackets, x, x, negative 3, negative 5. Okay. Now here this product is negative and sum is positive. It means this situation, product is negative, sum is positive, so larger number is positive. Here again 15, so 1 times 15, larger number here positive. It means this positive, this is negative. 3 times 5, larger number positive, this negative. So negative 3 multiply 5, which is negative 15, and when we add negative 3 positive 5, we get positive 2x, because negative 3 positive 5, here different sign, so subtract and take larger number sign, so that's why this is positive. Okay, here we can write direct answer, 2 brackets x x negative 3 negative 5 negative 3 positive 5. Okay, now this one, here both are negative, product is also negative and sum is negative. It means which condition? This one, last one, product negative, sum negative, so larger number is negative. Okay, here 3 times 5, larger number negative, it means this. Here difference is negative 2, and when we multiply, so we get product negative 15. So here if you have good knowledge about integers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divide rules of integers, so it is very good. Otherwise you do any mistake. Okay, so here plus 3 minus 5. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, now here 5x square plus 60x plus 100. First we have to look here, can we take common something from a whole expression? If yes, so please take. So here 5, 60 and 100. Can we take common 5? Okay, x square, here we take 5, so 5 times 12 x, 5 times 12 60, and 5 times 20 100. And now we can factorize this expression. Okay, now here product is what? Product is positive. I am just writing P for product. Product is 20, and sum, I am writing as sum 12. Okay, so here both are positive. It means product is positive, sum is positive. So here both numbers are positive. Okay, so here 1 times 20, which is not 12, 2 times 10, yes, 2 plus 10, 12. So we choose this, 2 plus 10, this one. Okay, 2 and 10. Okay, here x plus 2 and plus 10. This is our answer. Now take another example. Okay, this is little bit different type. Here x square minus 3xy plus 40y square. So here you can just ignore y square and y. Just imagine here product is negative 40 and sum is negative 3. Means both are negative. So which option here? Last one. Product negative, sum negative, so larger number negative. Product negative 40, sum negative 3. Okay, so larger number negative. So 1 times negative 40, 2 times negative 20, 3, no, not 3, 4 times negative 10, 5 times negative 8, and yes, here difference is negative 3, correct? 5 times negative 8, negative 40, and 5 negative 8 is negative 3. So we can write here, but here little bit difference, x, x, okay, here plus 5, but here y also, okay, here negative 8y. So this is here, this is the answer. Okay, bye, have a nice time.